In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Enable TPM 2.0 error on Call of Duty. This will work for Black Ops 7 and Warzone. Start by opening the Start menu, then click the Power button and choose Restart. When your computer starts to boot back up, you'll need to press or spam the Delete key on your keyboard to enter the BIOS. Depending on your motherboard, you may need to press the F2 button or a different key. You may need to look up what button to use for your motherboard. Depending on your motherboard, your BIOS may be different to mine. First, you will need to enter Advanced mode if you aren't already. The option should be either at the top or bottom. Some of your settings may be different, but I'll do my best to cover them. For Gigabyte motherboards, switch to the Settings tab, then go down and select Miscellaneous. If you don't have the Settings tab, then it may be called Peripherals. Find the AMD CPU FTPM setting and set it to Enabled. Or if you have an Intel CPU, then set Intel Platform Trust Technology to Enabled. For Asus motherboards, go to the Advanced settings. Open the PCH FW configuration options if you have an Intel CPU, or select AMD FTPM configuration if you have an AMD CPU. Find TPM device selection and set it to Enable Firmware TPM. For AMD, set the Firmware TPM switch setting to Enable Firmware TPM. For Asus motherboards, select Boot, then go down and select CSM, Compatibility Support Module. Set Launch CSM to Disabled. For Gigabyte motherboards, go to Boot, then set CSM Support to Disabled. Head down and select Secure Boot, then find Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. For Asus, go back to the Boot settings, then select Secure Boot. For my BIOS, I need to set OS type to UEFI mode, then set Secure Boot mode to Standard or Enabled. Once done, select Exit or Save and Exit, then choose Save and Exit again or Save and Reset. Click Yes or OK to confirm and your PC will load up. Open the Start menu, then search for System Information and open it. Find the Secure Boot State option and it should now say On. If Secure Boot isn't on, then load back into the BIOS and find the Secure Boot setting. For Asus, set Secure Boot to Custom, then back to Standard. For Gigabyte, set it to Disabled, then back to Enabled. Save and exit when done. Play Black Ops 7 or Warzone and the TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot error will now be fixed. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.